Hey friend, in this video I'm trying to show you how to download and install IPTV Smarter Pro on Amazon Firestick and Firestick 4K Max. Before starting the video, if you need any IPTV, you can contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the description. Let's start the video. First of all, open the downloader app and put that code in the search bar 6468112. Wait for the some seconds. It needs human verification. After that, you can go to the next page. After that, IPTV Smarters Pro is automatically downloading. Just wait for it to download. Before downloading, I want to say you something. If you are looking for an IPTV service, you are on the right place. I will give you IPTV service at affordable prices. My service has 31,000 live channels, 30,000 movies, and 5,000 series. After download, install, and open it. After opening the IPTV Smarters Pro, press on TV and save it. After that, you see different options. Click on Xtream Codes API. Now you need a username, password, and URL to watch IPTV on it. So put your username and password. If you don't have a username and password, then contact me on WhatsApp. I will give you a username and password. If you like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for the watching.